I'm back. Okay, before I start to talk, I need to tell you something. You miss me, man. Oh man, I love this. Okay, in the past when I start something, I usually don't finish it. And I didn't get the results. After that I changed my mindset, and when I start something I finish it, but it was very stressful, so what is the right way? Okay, I want to show you something, just a sec. This is my sketchbook. Okay, the plan was to create 14 different hairstyles. So this is the sketches for 20 female characters, and I stopped there. It was boring at that time, but now I got desire to finish it, because I think that I can enjoy it. And this is the key. You don't need to finish everything what you start, and finish some things that you start as well. So the balance is the key. When it starts to be boring, try to change it and make it fun. If not, stop it. So this is the key of the balance. Do it just for fun. If you like it, finish it. If you don't like it, don't finish it. It's okay. So I want to finish this, so let's start with 20 male characters. Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Okay, I just created male characters, and now when I have all sketches, it's time for hard part. I need to create vectors from this illustration, and I plan to do that in one day. But I know that I can do it, because this is fun for me. So, see you tomorrow. Oh, okay, 40 illustrations per one day. It will be hard. And I have a couple of new things that I need to finish today, so it's a challenge. But let's do it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record.
Okay, I just finished the first part. Now female characters, and I'm much better with male than the female characters. So go, 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 go!
Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record.
Done. A lot of work in a short time. So if you do something with joy, you can do anything. Listen me. Listen your heart and do what you love. Do it every day. Start now. Okay? That's it. And if you want to check out the illustration, go to gigantic.store or check out the link in the video description. Thank you, and see you in the next video, because the best is yet to come.
Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to